Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your switch firmware and having at least 50% battery. You won't proceed without basic safeguards. Once done, make sure you can launch the Homebrew menu, Atmosphere, or Hecate present on the SD card. Now copy the theme installer and a sample theme. Zip to the SD card root and back up any current theme files. This early preparation prevents bricking and lets you move into the install steps immediately without pausing for downloads. Next, boot the console into the Homebrew launcher and launch the theme installer app. You'll be guided through selections. When prompted, choose the zip you placed on the SD card. The installer will convert or place files in the proper atmosphere/theme directory. Make sure to follow any on-screen prompts about replacing existing files and wait for completion. Do not remove the SD card during processing. Once the installer reports success, reboot the switch so the new visuals load into the system UI. Finally, verify the theme in the system UI and check for missing icons or visual glitches. If anything looks off, clear cache by rebooting or reapply the same theme through the installer. If you encounter a boot loop or instability, immediately power down and remove the SD card to restore access, then restore your NAND backup if needed. One key troubleshooting step: make sure Atmosphere and your Homebrew are up to date. Outdated boot files are the most common cause of failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.